we had a very tough time hiring or getting contractors on our bid list because, first of all, they didn't meet our safety protocol. They couldn't pass the safety regulations that we have in place. And then, of course, their experience as far as, being certified or anything like that, they didn't have it. So once I saw the certification out there, for QP1, for the contractors and, up the line, it made me feel more comfortable picking the contractor when it was time for the bid to be awarded.